Hi, welcome back to CrochetRocks. Excuse me. Got a little frog, but I can't drink the tea yet. It's too hot. So this is my second Hobby Rocks yarn delivery. And this one has come from James C. Brett. I don't quite know what's happened to my King Cole one, bearing in mind it was the first one I placed, you know. Yeah. But I think it might be the second one, actually. So there's a few other yarns here as well as James C. Brett, and I hope you're going to like them. So the first one, I don't really know a great deal about this yarn, other than the fact that it is merino, pure merino, and it's Jenny Watson pure merino double knit. And I'm going to leave it in the bags because if I take this one out, they'll all come out because of those little donuts. So I can't really see. They don't actually put the yardage on there and all of that. I could look it up online. Oh, here we go. They're 50-gram balls. Thought something was missing. I'll be back. 50-gram balls, 124 meters, 135 yards, merino wool, 100% pure. So there's that one, which obviously I can't tell you the shade, I don't think. Oh, yeah, I can. It's sadly just WM15, but a lovely lilac colour. So that's one. Another one I thought I'd try along the same lines is this one. Again, it's the Jenny Watson pure merino. Absolutely feels so soft. I mean, it really does. It's lovely and squishy. And this one is shade WM12. I think we're going to have to give them better names than that, don't you guys? I hope this doesn't come crashing down on my head. I got a black and a purple and a mauve. So really, quite a lot of mauves that I decided on getting, so that, no, that is the one step too far. Cause a landslide. Right, we're going over this side now. I'm going to fill up my little area very, very quickly. So that was the Jenny Watson. And then I decided I really wanted some recycle yarn. Yeah, check me out. I did actually have some recycle yarn on order as well from another supplier. And I got this one. I really like these. So let me get them all out and then we can put them back in the bag. Better way of doing it, I think. So this is Retwist. Honestly, I'm breaking this mouth in for someone else. Retwist chainy cotton cakes. So let's retwist cake. It is. Look at the colours. Aren't they gorgeous? So it's chainy cotton. Very, very durable. Very. I mean, when I was talking to the rep about this, he said, it's not rough. No, it really isn't. I wouldn't make a garment from it, personally. It's not rough. It's durable. So this would be perfect to make covers for furniture. If you're going to make outside garden cushions, you can leave them out because this is really, really sturdy stuff. Let me give you a bit of a lowdown on this then. It's called Retwist. Chainy cotton cake yarn is a lightweight craft yarn which is made from new and recycled fibres. Very easy to crochet and knit your projects, home accessories, fashion garments and amigurumis. Each roll has 250 grams and a length of 250 metres. Well, that's easy to remember. 250 grams, 250 metres. A metre a gram. So, what's it called? But it's not got a name. RCC 10. So there we go. 70% recycled cotton, 25% polyester, and 5% other recycled fibres. That's the word. And the 250 metres is 274 yards. So I got this lovely colour, which is kind of reds going into like a magenta and like purple, and then kind of blues and, well, I'd say magenta. And then I got this one, which I love, which is all the, look at that. I didn't show you really the beauty of the outside part. And it is just lovely stuff. I really like this one. It's just a number. I thought they had names, but no. Did it go off? Have I lost it? No. RCC02. Isn't that lovely though? From kind of white. That might be an offish white, but it looks quite white to me. Oh, that's lovely. I like that one. And then there's this one, which does lend itself to lovely spring, summer colours out in the garden. That's what as soon as I saw that, that's what it made me think of. But I like the way it looks on the outside as well. So there's that one. And then I got blues. Oh, they're really sumptuous. You could dive in that. It's like beautiful, isn't it? Really lovely. And it starts off with this grey, bluey, no, it is blue. Blue, yeah, it's definitely blue. Navy kind of bluish. Isn't it just beautiful? That's not my favourite one though, guys. There's a pastel. Again, summery, spring-like colours. Really, really nice. I won't tell you the numbers, there's no point. And then this one is my absolute favourite, and I don't know why. But look at that. It's got all these colours in. I'm a very bright rainbow type of person, aren't I? But I love the outside. I just love this one so much. To be honest with you, I really like them all. I think they are just fantastic, and they're recycled. Isn't that just amazing? They're all beautiful in their own right. Just, oh, look at the depth of colour in that one. And the first one I had as well. Really, really, really impressed with these. I like them a lot. They're heavy, that's the thing. Which isn't the only very, very heavy yarn. Well, it's not very heavy, obviously. It's 250 grams. But I have got some other yarn, which is pretty heavy, I have to say. I really like them. I'm going to have to make myself some garden furniture covers, aren't I? That is just... I did think, you know, I've got... I don't know if you remember out in the garden in the summer, I have a swing, like a wooden one. And that really does need covers and cushions, so I might have to do that. Right, that's kind of... I'll finish with that bag. But this one, it's heavy, man. Oh, wow. Because I decided to get some recycled, oh, they're so big, t-shirt yarn. Now this one is a really pale blue. And it is Retwist t-shirt yarn. Hopefully this is easy to see, and I won't need the light. No, I will. 90% cotton, 10% elastane. Yarn weight is 650. Average, minimum of 650, average of 750. Yarn length and width, 110 meters to 150 meters. So there we go, and it's so I've got that colour, which I don't know how to handle this. It's really heavy to just let go of. Well, it's going to fall, it is. I'm going to get them out and do what I did before and put them back. That seemed to work well with the other one that I had, didn't it? So we'll try that. Trying to like do it stealthily so you don't see them. Okay, so we had that lovely kind of duck egg blue. We've got a navy blue, a real kind of navy blue. Now let me see if there's a colour. Yeah, there is actually a shade. It's only a number RTS05, but that's a navy blue. It's so big I can barely get my hands around it. I have got small hands span. Then I got this blue. You know, I like a bit of blue before all said and done. Upside down it would be, wouldn't it? RTS05. That's that blue. And then we've got this light blue that we started with. It's not white, it's kind of a really pale blue. And that one is upside down. It wouldn't be me if it wasn't. RTS05. That's what the other one said. I'm confused, man. Okay, we'll forget the numbers. We've got grey. It's a really nice kind of motley grey as well. I like that. That's really nice. So we've got grey. I will show you more in depth in a second. I'll show you this one. I can't show you in depth on this one because it's black and you won't see the individual. So I've got quite a bit of these. And we got red. So quite a lot of nice projects you can make with the t-shirt yarn. But oh no, this one does have a different number. 07. So maybe I was reading them wrong. You know, it is a possibility. So that is all of the colours of the retwist t-shirt yarn. Okay, so more traditional James C. Brett stuff coming up. And I will order more, obviously. This is just beautiful. Oh, little update. I sounded like Nessa. Oh. Oh, sorry if you don't know who that is. But from Gavin and Stacey. Yeah, let's move on, shall we? Now this, oh, this is beautiful. This is lovely, lovely stuff. This is Super Soft Baby Aran from James C. Brett. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that colour. That is lovely. I really like this. 100% acrylic, 100 grams. The shade is BA12. I wish I'd give them names. Anything else? Look at that little cute picture on there. That is lovely. Did I give you the yardage? It didn't, did it? Must be here somewhere. Maybe. I can't find it. No. How bizarre. You'd think it would be there, but this is the Super Soft Baby Aran, and I've got that colour, which is kind of like, what would you call it? More of a sort of a sea breeze. I think that was the colour it actually came in at. And then we've got a light blue, baby blue. I can't believe there's no yardage on here. There must be, surely. No, shade, dye lot. Can't find it. Anyway, we've got a lovely light blue and this absolutely beautiful lilac and a lemon and a green. Now I know from looking at this there's a pink missing, so I'm going to have to search and see what happened there, because I know I ordered pink. I just feel like there's stuff missing there. Maybe I didn't bring it in and I should have. I don't know. But the other one that I ordered is Flutterby. And you've probably all seen Flutterby before. Let me get this out. Otherwise we're going to have trouble with the bag. And we can show you them as we go. And put them back in. So the first one that I will show you then is this white. And honestly, as soon as I opened the bag and I looked, I thought, it's just so snowy. It really is. But this is what I love about the Flutterby. It is just so soft. The first kind of baby chenille yarn that I ever used was Flutterby. And I made, when Harley was in, well, wasn't even born, I made a little baby jacket with a variegated, and I absolutely loved working with it. It was so soft and it's gorgeous. So we've got white, which is obviously white, 175 meters, 192 yards, super soft polyester, machine washable. And anything else to tell you? I don't think so. That's it. 100-gram balls. We've got this beautiful snowy white. We've got this lovely baby pink, so subtle, and it really is ultra soft. All of the others, I think, have, you know, I don't know if this was first or what, but it really is beautiful. We're just going to call this baby pink because they've only got colour numbers and it's just baby pink. And then we have, hang on a moment, a baby blue. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that is so soft. I love this. I could just dive in. Now this one is a variegated that I chose because all of the colours that I picked, more or less, well, apart from blue perhaps, will go with this. So you could use it and then bring colours out. I think the blue is there actually. I know it's definitely got green in it, but look at that. Isn't it lovely? They've got quite a few of, oh, it's so soft. That is unreal, and it just feels like you just want to touch it. You just want to cuddle it. It is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So I got this one. Then I got this brighter pink, which is beautiful again. Now I did make a scarf and a blanket for Sophia from Yummy from King Cole, which I think was thicker than this. Obviously this is a chunky yarn. Oh wow, I love it so much. And I got this darker blue, just like I got the darker pink, I got a darker blue, because you could put those together if you wanted to, like with the two pinks and the two blues. But wow, I love it. It's just, it's like it's gonna be hard to part with it. But I also got this beautiful lemon colour, and it is a really lovely subtle lemon. Some of them are kind of wishy-washy and some are really in your face, but this one is just a lovely, lovely, and all of them have this beautiful little sheen to them as well. So that is what I got. I'm going to investigate about the Comfort Aran, because I believe there should have been a pink one there. All of the pastel shades I would definitely have ordered pink. And so that's it. Tell me, do you like it? Do you like it so far? I'm really impressed with the recycled yarn, I have to say. One of the other yarns that I've ordered is recycled yarn, and it may be a King Cole one, I'm not sure, but I really do like those. The t-shirt yarn is mega heavy. I bought one some time ago which was even bigger, weighed an absolute ton, but brilliant for projects like baskets and things like that. Maybe I should crochet up all of my storage baskets. That would well, it would certainly give me less of a headache at the moment, because that's my biggest kerfuffle, is where I'm going to have all the storage. But wow, I really, really love this. I wanted a really good baby Aran, and this is lovely. There are others. I will be having a good look and ordering more as I go, but for now, a little bit of everything. Next one that I will show you will probably be King Cole. I'm not sure when that'll arrive, but I hope you like it. It's certainly all getting very real for me now. The website's nowhere near finished, and I need to buy some racking of some sort and storage solutions. There are some racks that I've seen that come with storage boxes attached, so I think, well, I might get those, because it's killing two birds with one stone. I mean, you can pay as much for boxes elsewhere as you do for the storage racks and the boxes, so that might be a good one to get. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.